Silence inside noise-canceling headphones isn't just the absence of sound. It's actually the result of a violent, mathematical collision happening thousands of times per second. To truly understand this, we have to stop thinking of sound as a phantom, invisible noise, and see it for what it physically is. Pressure waves of air molecules slamming into your eardrum. Imagine standing near a roaring jet engine. That is massive acoustic energy tearing through the air. To neutralize it, your headphones must calculate and deploy an exact counterforce in microseconds. Here is the anatomy of that microscopic duel. It starts with external microphones mounted on the ear cups, designed to capture the incoming chaotic sound waves just fractions of a second before they reach your ear. This raw audio data is instantly fed into a dedicated chipset. Its relentless job is to calculate a perfect, inverted mirror image of the incoming noise. The internal speaker then fires this anti-wave directly at the enemy wave. This triggers a physics phenomenon known as destructive phase interference. When the peak of the incoming noise wave perfectly aligns with the exact trough of the anti-wave, they cancel each other out, leaving a flat line of calm, normal atmospheric pressure. But creating this flat line is an active energy expenditure, not passive insulation. The system faces a massive latency barrier. High-frequency sounds oscillate too rapidly to perfectly mirror in time, which is why your headphones excel at silencing a low jet engine hum, but struggle with sharp transients like breaking glass. Yet these microscopic collisions are now being scaled up for smart windows and open-plan offices. We are entering a future where noise isn't an inevitable part of life. It's just an optional setting. What technology should we explain next? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe for more science.